to our soul sister and song sister, Asha Bhosle ji, who leaves a legacy of empowerment behind for all of us through her voice, through her spirit, and through everything that she was all throughout her life. I just wanted to take a moment to pay a tribute to a soul sister. I'm looking forward to listening to everyone as we begin. The countdown begins, but just wanted to start it by honoring a giant of a sister for so many women, for a couple of generations of women, and just empowered it through being who she was by living powerfully and singing powerfully. Thank you.
Very beautifully expressed, ma'am. And actually, it is very heart touching also because, of course, yes, she was our soul sister, and today we feel in sync with her. And I think that's a lovely way to start, the town hall.
Over to you, Sonal. It's 4 p.m. IST.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks a lot. Dear sisters, hope you are feeling the energy, the power. Are you all ready for this
Yes.
empowering journey of
Yes.
sisterhood?
Yes.
I guess
Yes, we are ready.
yes, and this is so elevating, so elevating. Sisterhood for me is magic. Sisterhood for me is like it's my superpower. Let's celebrate this, this empowering cause. And for me, face of sisterhood is our beloved dear Harbeen ma'am, who is like supreme feminine divine energy for all of us. And she introduced me to this sacred circle of sisterhood, which is so empowering and so elevating and so transforming. And for me, sisterhood is reminder. It reminds me who I am. So, on this positive note, I welcome you all in this town hall celebration of Global Sisterhood, which will continue till 5th October 2026. And I'm sure this journey for all of you all will be transforming, healing, empowering, and we'll grow together in this circle of positivity. And I'm honored and privileged, ma'am, to invite you for the launch of this town hall. Over to you, ma'am. Please grace us with your motivating and inspiring words. Habib, ma'am.
Sister, I'm not taking the time of your 2 minutes. You are the moderator among the 15 speakers. I'm attending the event and I got my moment. Thank you. Over to you.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. Thank you. Dear sisters, let's bring our energies alive and let's celebrate this, this elevating, empowering, and all together united energy of oneness. So I'll invite our first esteemed speaker, Dr. Shetrin Mayun Vedmani Devi ji. Please, over to you.
Everyone, distinguished guests, friends, and my dear sisters across the globe. When I took back at the milestones of my life and career, I don't see a solitary path. I see a tapestry. It is a tapestry woven with the threads of countless women who stood by me, challenged me, and lifted me up. So this is the essence of sisterhood. So to me, sisterhood is not merely a biological tie or a casual friendship. It is a sacred infrastructure of support. It is the quiet knot of understanding in a room full of noise. It is the safety net that allows us to take risks, knowing that uh, if we stumble, there are hands ready to catch us. So classroom. It, it taught me that uh, uh, that my success is not diminished by the success of another woman. Rather, it is amplified by it. When one of us breaks a glass ceiling, she creates a draft that pulls the rest of us upward. So, my message for the global community is uh, to our global community. I offer this insight. The world does not need more competition. It needs more collaboration. So we live in an era where the challenges we face, uh, social, environmental, and economic, so are too heavy for any one person to carry. But there is a unique alchemy that happens when women unite. So we move from I to we. We trade jealousy for joy and silence for a collective roar. So, in my conclusion, my message to all our soul sisters is simple: be the sister you once needed, invest in its others' dreams, celebrate the victories of the women standing next to you as if they were your own. So, when we strengthen the bond of sisterhood, we don't just change the lives of women, we shape the foundation of the world. So, let us continue to build bridges, not walls, and walk forward together. Thank you.
Thank you, Maniji. Thank you so much. And yes, let's hear every story, every dream, and every voice heard in this room. I now welcome our esteemed speaker, Soul Sister Swati Singh ji. Please, over to you.
Hello everyone, I'm Swati from Gurgaon. I have my notes with me today, not because I'm nervous, but because I respect your time. I'm the National Vice President of Wiki Bioenzyme Council, founder of Color Code Foundation and Daksh Leela, Exim LLP, brand ambassador of MCG, Swachh Bharat Mission. I work in sustainable living, but today I'm not here to talk about bioenzymes. I'm here to talk about something far more powerful, sisterhood. So let me share a real story. Last year, I lost my 16-year-old son. One day, I commented on an Insta post just expressing my grief. A lady saw my comment and she went through my profile and she messaged me that, how you look so strong? How are you doing this? So I just called her and came to know that she had also lost her 11-year-old son in an accident. So two mothers, strangers with the same pain. So we started supporting each other. And then one day she said that I know many more mothers going through this. So I created a WhatsApp group, Healing Together. And today that group has mothers across India and with different languages, different backgrounds. And sometimes we don't understand each other's language, but we understand each other's pain. So nobody planned this sisterhood, no event, no platform, no invitations, just one comment, one message, and one phone call. And suddenly nobody was alone anymore. So that is what sisterhood really means. It finds you even in your darkest moment. So thank you. I think I shared my little bit of story. So this is sisterhood for me. Thank you.
Hugs to you, virtual hugs to you, Swati. We all feel for you and we are there for you. And we are sorry for your loss and we salute your strength being there and sharing this moment. Thank you so much. Thank you. This is our honor to have you over here. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Now I call our next esteemed speaker, Dr. Neha Garg. Please, over to you.
Thank you so much, Sonal ma'am, for inviting me, and thank you so much, Habib ma'am, for this opportunity. Good evening, everyone. My name is Dr. Neha Garg. I'm into a stress management field from last 9 years. As I talk about sisterhood now, when I came to know about this platform, Town Hall, I was so happy. I was so happy that moment I got that mail. It's like, yes, now I got heard. Whatever I'm trying to say from last 9 years to all the females now, I got the platform. So thank you so much, Harveen ma'am, for that. Sisterhood for me, when I heard of this word sisterhood now, I don't think of the relationship. I think of the love we exchange with each other, the thoughts we exchange with each other. Because women, for me, are incredibly powerful. But somehow we were taught to compare, not to collaborate. And this sisterhood platform here, I think, encourages us from compare to compassion, from judgment to support each other, and from insecurity to empower each other. So this sisterhood platform is so powerful. And I think it's a platform where we don't have to be perfect all the time. We have to be real and allow others to be real too. And of course, a strong woman stands for herself. But in sisterhood journey, when I meet lots of the female, when I was planning event, so when I meet lots of the women, we are standing for each other. So I can say a strong woman stands for herself, but a stronger woman stands for others too. So this is what sisterhood means to me. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, Dr. Neha. Thanks a lot. These were like so soothing, and and as you know, we are All Ladies League is collaborating with She Economy for this town hall, this global sisterhood festival. So we are all are open to collaboration. So we'll connect, rise together, so we can grow together. So I'll invite next our esteemed speaker, Monica Negiji. Please, over to you. Monica ji. I guess she is not here. So I'll over to Dr. Rajeshwari Rabhata. Please honor this space, Dr. Rajeshwari. Am I audible?
Hi, yes, hi
Yeah.
everyone, and warm greetings to all my lovely sisters from India and worldwide. Yes, I'm Dr. Rajeshwari Rapata. I'm a senior homeopathic consultant, and I'm working with a vision to empower India in the first aid skills in homeopathy and CPR. And I'm really grateful to Dr. Harbeen Arora Rai for being a pillar of support in this initiative by nominating me as the national president of WICCI Homeopathic Council. This announcement was really a surprise to me when I was really struggling, and that was during the COVID times. That is what sisterhood means to me. Really a surprise of support from our dear Harbeen Arora Rai ma'am. So what sisterhood means to me, it is coming together with a collective consciousness and intention of understanding and supporting each other. And that is what is found in this community. Now, this global initiative by the Seven Sisters of our All Ladies League and Wiki, it is truly promoting all the women empowerment through all the seven sacred values, that is sisterhood, Shakti Bandhan, solidarity, strength, support, society, and service. Now, while I'm talking all this, it looks so, feels so soothing and empowering to all our wounded hearts, struggling hearts, don't we? So sometimes what we don't talk about is we women were taught to compete for that visibility, for that attention, for that approval, for that validation, because divided women are easier to control than united women. And these united women, they know their worth. And the moment women stop competing with each other, they start questioning everything that they were taught to accept blindly. So we should all question ourselves, isn't it? Are we still competing for a space, or are we finally creating it together? I have been in many women's circles. Maybe that can be a big NGO, or it can be my own circle of team or friends or acquaintances. I had women who have been supporting me a lot, but I also had some women who tried harming me by words and deeds. But this can be common to all of us. But do we stop shining? No. So why is that? Because sisters, we carry our own light, which can't be dimmed by anyone. And it comes with sheer positiveness, goodwill, loving all and serving all. Dear sisters, in this struggle of having a valued sisterhood, sometimes we'll have to fight more brainwashed women, cajole them in understanding what they are losing in the long term in pursuit of short term success. Sisterhood to me means a bond of friendship, trust, and community, particularly in supporting one another to enhance our rights. I
Thank you.
thank heartfully Dr. Harbin Arora Rai and Seven Sisters for bringing this transformative movement and initiatives.
Thank
I
you. Thank you,
personally,
Rajeshwari.
yes,
Thank you.
it's already
Thank
over. And
Yes, thank you
this
so much.
camaraderie, is shifting the
Yes.
focus from individual
Yes.
survival.
Yeah,
Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
Rajeshwari ji.
Thank
You
you so
are,
much,
you are,
Saptamatrikas and
you are
Vande
already
Mataram. Vande
inspiration.
Mataram.
Vande Mataram, and you are already inspiration to all of us. Now I'll over to next our esteemed speaker, Monica Negi ji. Please go ahead.
Firstly, sorry, my connection was disconnected. Actually, light was disconnect over here. Okay, myself, Monica, being an entrepreneur, for me, like sisterhood, not only a means standing beside another woman, but not in a competition, but in a comparison. It is a lifting to each other for their like feels, if their feels weak, reminding one another of our worth when self-doubt has been creep in their opinions, creating a safe space where we can completely ourselves without fear. And being a army wife, we just connect with a lot of the army ladies, where we just means to say, when we connect with them, we go to the stage of 2-1, like in the happiness mode and one in the like in the D mode. So sisterhood, being a sisterhood, we have to just connect with them, make them to feel happy, make them to feel safe. And mostly the important thing is that if anybody is going to be demotivated, so we have to motivate them. And like sister is not only a deeply to be rooted in the resilience, like invisible threads that connects to the woman across different lives, stories, struggles. Being a means it lot a mean for bond between army wives supporting to the each other through the constant transition, because we are a very far away from our families with our husbands in that area, where we are also connected to an Indian. We have to like, not our husbands are not only going and they are standing in the front of like if there is the war and all these things, we are also standing behind them and being a strong woman. So uh, for me it is a very most experience, like जैसे कि अभी मैम ने एक स्टोरी बताई थी कि so same like that I will also repeat in our army lives कि there was a ma'am.
Yes, thank you, Monica ji. Now we'll over to Komal Jassi ji, our next esteemed speaker. Komal Jassi ji, over to you. Please unmute.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Arvind ma'am. I'm associated with Vicky from last more than 4 years. and I'm now president for Chandigarh Chapter Mothers Army. By profession, I'm an HR expert. And yes, a very good afternoon to all of you. Today, I want to talk about something, yeah, we all are doing so about truly powerful, that is sisterhood. And yes, I just want how many of you have that one woman in your life who always lift you up when you are feeling low? Yes, we all have that woman. And yes, that is what is sisterhood. Sisterhood is motivation and support. This is as per me. Yeah, it's for everyone. And it's about celebrating each other's win, big or small. We have to be with each other, whether it is a win, big or small. It's about saying, I'm truly proud of you and truly meaning it. And more importantly, it's more about standing strong together during tough times. Yes, because when woman rises, she brings others with her. Now, I just want you all to think about when was the last time you could be completely yourself without any fear of judgment. And yes, that feeling is a sisterhood. It creates comfort and connection, a safe space where you all can laugh freely, share openly, and just be you. No filters, no pressure, just a genuine connection and understanding. Lastly, sisterhood is about focus and empowerment. Yes, let's not just be women who succeed individually. Let's be women who empower, support, and grow together. Because together we are unstoppable. Thank you, everyone.
Thanks, dear Komal. Thank you so much. Now I welcome our next esteemed guest, soul sister Priyamvada ji. Priyamvada ji, Pooja
Yeah.
Priyamvada ji.
Hi.
I'm so sorry. Please, over to you.
Hi. Hi. Thank you. Thank you, Sonal. And I am more than happy that you called me Priyambada. That is my daughter's name. And I believe that sisterhood, like everything else, begins at home. I do not know why there is an echo because I'm logged in only at one place.
I guess your you have logged in from another phone also, so that
No.
speaker is on.
No, there is only one device here.
Okay, go ahead, no problems.
Yeah. So the picture you see behind me is me in All India Radio. So many years ago, I realized that all that women have is their voice. And that is something they do not use very effectively for themselves or other women around them. I took Priyambada's name as my name. It is the name on all my books. It is the name on which I've received awards. That is how the world knows me. And I'm very proud of it. I've known people who take their mother's name. Maybe they find that very enriching. Most often, all of us humans take names from fathers, and women take from husbands as well. I thought I owe it to my daughter as sisterhood to take her name up. So that is one. Another thing, I do not know how many of you have seen the series The Handmaid's Tale. It talks about Serena. When one woman upholds an unfair rule, excludes another, aligns with power structures, diminishes other women. True sisterhood demands something harder. It is a choice every day to resist the temptation of proximity to power when that power is unjust. Operation of any kind of operation does not survive without the participation of women. And patriarchy as a system has not relied on men, trust you me. It has relied on women policing, judging, and limiting each other and rewarding compliance. So sisterhood is not a switch. It is not automatic. It is a choice that we make daily against the grain. And unlike the Serenas of the world, it requires not just seeing another woman suffering, but refusing to benefit from the suffering of another woman.
Thank you, Pooja Priyambada ji. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, now and I'll say one sentence to close. That while we adjust each other's crowns, it will not shake our thrones. So be assured.
Sure.
Thank you.
Yeah. Pooja, our next esteemed speaker, soul sister Pooja Sawhney ji, please over to you.
Thank you so much. Hi, I'm Pooja Sani from Delhi, and by profession, I'm into human resources and a digital creator. For me, sisterhood is not only about being sisters. Even a mother can be a sister. Since from my school age, my mother has supported me like anything, and today, whatever I am because of my parents, I interact with people. I'm into business as well, and also in many things. Do motivational speaking, like motivational topics and inspirational, and I try to motivate others as well that don't be demotivated. Sisterhood is not only about a bonding, understanding. Age gap should not come between sisterhood, like she's senior to me or elder to me or younger to me. It's all about the way you manage your relationship, and it's not only about biological sister, it can be cousins as well. So I believe sisterhood is very important part of our life, which gives us the motivation that how you stand in society, how you speak, how you treat each other. So it's very important. And I would say that my mother has always given me such kind of upbringing and education that today whatever I am because of my mother and my father. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Pooja. And as Habi ma'am also wrote in chat that age gap between mother and daughter is immaterial, and that's true. That's so true. Now over to our next esteemed speaker, Julie Tulsian, soul sister Julie Tulsian. Please, over to you.
Thank you, soul sister Sonal. So, good afternoon, dear darling sisters. First of all, heartfelt gratitude to soul sister Dr. Harbeen Arora Rai for this beautiful initiative, which I know on a Monday afternoon has brought smiles on all the sisters' faces. Thank you so much, dear sister. I am Julie Tulsian. I'm the National President of Women Empowerment Council, WICI. And professionally, I'm the head of media, branding, and communications in a leading global law firm, as well as I run a digital magazine. Sisterhood to me is not just a word. It is something I have lived, felt, and leaned on through every phase of my life. My best moments and even my most difficult ones have always been shared with my girl tribe. They are the ones who celebrated with me my marriage. They are the ones who supported me when I had brain tumor. They were the ones who made me just giggle when I was low. They are the ones who have been there through every thick and thin of my life. And that to me, dear sisters, is what sisterhood truly is. A bond of love, deep understanding, and unwavering presence. It is knowing that no matter where life takes you, you are never alone. It is having people who remind you of your strength when you forget it yourself. It is encouraging each other, lifting each other, and sometimes simply holding space for one another. In a world that often becomes overwhelming, this bond becomes our safe haven, a place where we can be our most authentic selves without fear, without judgment, without any pretense. So, thank you, all my beautiful sisters here, for being that kind of sister for me. And I hope with this platform, our sisterhood bond will strengthen and I'll increase my family of sisters. Thank you.
Thank you, Julie. Thank you. Very well said. Now over to next esteemed speaker, Nishi Mayank ji. Soul sister Nishi Mayank, please, over to you. Please.
Yeah. Hello, greetings to all sister. Thank you for joining here. And today I'm not here to give any speech, and I'm here to share something directly from my heart. And first of all, I'm a Tamil Nadu State President for WICI and G100 Country Chair, and I'm a founder of Manobal Women. So, all of us in our own ways hold so much together. And our homes, our work, responsibilities, families, we show up for everyone. But somewhere along the way, we hide something that is drifting us somewhere. And in our culture, there is a word Shakti. Shakti is a very quite powerful word that lives within us, in every woman. And the truth is, we all have that strength. But sometimes we need someone to lift us, to give that support to us. And for me, that reminder came from Manobal Women. Manopal Women is my initiative that I started when my mother went through a tough phase. She was going through a surgical menopause, and I felt she was going through a very tough time. And it was a good thing that me and my mother, we were very close. We shared each and everything. She was ignoring the things, and I was noticing. So we shared everything. We went to the doctor. We discussed everything. For that moment, I started researching and learning and reading about this perimenopause and menopause. And from past 10 years, I started working for the menopausal women's. So this was a sisterhood that came from my mother, and she was also in a health department. So I worked for the many women's through my mother's support, and I'm still working for the women who are not aware for that. So the true strength for me, sisterhood, came from the Manobal women, that my mother was working for the women's, but she was not aware of her pain, what she was going through. So this is a true strength and sisterhood for me. Thank you.
Thank you, sister, soul sister Nishi Mayank ji. And now over to our next esteemed speaker, soul sister Pooja Singh. Over to you, Pooja Singh. Please unmute yourself.
Yeah. So good evening, everyone. Thank you so much, Sonal, for having me here. So, and good evening to each one of you. So I'm Pooja Singh. I'm an advocate by profession. I'm also a Supreme Court mediator, and I'm the president for Wiki Delhi Film Council. And I'm so glad to be part of this esteemed, collaboration of sisters all over the world, probably. So this is my first video conference or any kind of meeting that I've joined, though I am connected with Wiki for last, I think, 4 or 5 years. So coming to the concept of sisterhood and being there for each other. So I feel that generally the word pulls us apart. There is always this saying goes, especially amongst men, that, women are the worst enemies of the women. So I have heard this narrative a lot of times, especially from the men. So I think if we women, we sisters stand together, as somebody pointed out that, the age doesn't matter. So we all are sister in a sense. So, no matter what age we are, so if we are together, I think if we have the bond in professional and personal lives, where the competition exists, even, in like boardrooms, in courtrooms, wherever in general life, we stand together. So the force we have is impeccable. So I also I would like to connect with you all, like if any kind of, help, or I could help the group or individually anyone. So I'm always there to support. And thank you so much for having. I just have this thing little, though I would like to quote Rabindranath Tagore's line, which I really like. So there are few lines from Rabindranath Tagore, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the word has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where the words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thought and action, into the heaven of freedom, my father led my country away. So these are my favorite lines.
Yeah,
So
thank you, Pooja. And we all, agree to the core, and we all stand by with this poem, and we all, we all connect with this poem. Now, over to my next esteemed speaker, Dr. Sumitra Singh. Over to you, Dr. Sumitra, Soul Sister Sumitra Singh. Yes.
थैंक यू सोनल. सभी बहनों ने बहुत ही अच्छा बोला. मैं कहती हूँ कि सिस्टरहुड मेरे लिए क्या है. In fact, what is global sisterhood to me? It's unity, it's solidarity, it's empowerment, it's support, it's equality, it's compassion, it's collaboration, it's resilience, it's respect, it's leadership, it's unbreakable, it's fearless, it's transformative, it's revolutionary, it's empowering, it's indomitable, it's compassionate, it's resilient, it's united, it's trailblazing. Everything has been said. But where is the change that we all wanted to bring? Now is not the time to just keep on repeating that be the change, be the change. Now is the time to lead the change. तुम शक्ति हो, तुम साहस हो, तुम रिद्धि हो, तुम सिद्धि हो, तुम लक्ष्मी हो, तुम सरस्वती हो. आगे बढ़ो और आगे बढ़ो और लोगों को बढ़ाओ. Primarily, I am linking today's concept of sisterhood to collective women consciousness, which is going to make our country Viksit Bharat by the year 2047 with the pillar of women-led development, and that is Nari Shakti Vandan Adhiniyam. Why do we talk about it? Why do you want the representation of 33% women in the Indian Parliament, in the Lok Sabha and the legislative assemblies? Why? Because this is the time to make them inclusive. This is the time for sustainable economic growth. This is the time to promote social justice. This is the time to promote gender equality. Evidence shows that empowering women leads to better outcomes everywhere, whether health, finance, education, and governance. It is not just about political empowerment and gender equality of the woman, but that a woman can stand alone and take the decision. Let her be the decision maker. Let her be the leader. Now, let me talk about why is the concept of global sisterhood listed here? Because it is promoted through the frameworks like United Nations Sustainable Development Council, SDG 5, gender equality. Let us promote solidarity among the women across the nations. I just do not talk about Nari Shakti Vandan Adhiniyam, but because this also follows the global concept. In the constitution of Rwanda, there is 30% reservation for women in the parliament. In France, political parties have to give tickets to 50% of women. So, to close, I have to tell you just one thing. चरित्र जब पवित्र है तो क्यों है ये दशा तेरी? तू आरती की लौ नहीं तो युद्ध का मशाल बन. तू चल, तू किस लिए उदास है? तेरे आगाज को तो वक्त की भी तलाश है. Thank you.
Thank you, Sumita ji. We all agree to you and very well said. Now over to Soul Sister Sutipa Chakravarti, our next esteemed speaker. Please, Sutapa ji, please over to you.
Hello, good evening, everyone. I'm glad to be a part of this town hall, and thanks to Dr. Harbeen and Sonal for this lovely initiative. I'm Sutapa, Talent Acquisition Manager. For me, sisterhood is not just a bond, it is something I have experienced, I have lived and learned through my journey. So in my years of working, building teams and in interacting with so many individuals, I have seen both the sides, moments of competition, but also moments where women quietly choose to support, guide, and uplift each other. And those moments stayed with me because sisterhood to me is not loud. It is in the small, powerful actions and emotion. It is encouraging someone when they doubt themselves. It is opening a door for another woman even when you are still finding your own way. It's in saying that I see you, I support you, and you are not alone. And I truly believe a woman's success does not take away from another's. In fact, just this morning, I came across a small but powerful moment. I saw a woman was riding a bike confidently in a sari, and another woman passing by simply just gave a thumbs up to that lady. And there was no word exchanged, but the smile they shared with each other, that moment said everything. So sisterhood is about choosing connection over comparison, especially in a space where it's not always easy. So, and today for me, it's just not a feeling, it's a responsibility, which I carry in my personal and professional journey for sure. And because when women genuinely support each other, we do not just grow individually, we really create an impact. And we build communities and we change the narrative for the next generation. And that to me is the true power of sisterhood.
Thank you, Sutapa. Thank you. It touched my heart. Now, last but not the least, over to you, Soul Sister Sonia, our next esteemed speaker. Sonia, over to you. Do we have Sonia with us? I guess Sonia is not there. Now over to you, our beloved founder, Soul Sister, Dr. Harbeen Arora Roy, to conclude this, our first inaugural session for this, this transforming, empowering journey for 7 months, 25 weeks, at 100 plus countries. Ma'am, no one is better than you to conclude this session. Over to you, dear ma'am.
My dear soul sister Sonal, sisterhood is ever present, never to be concluded. And I will, as I said, I will not take your time. I know it's the first day. I want to give the moment back to you, Sonal. This is sisterhood. This is about sharing space, sharing the light. And you are the 15th speaker as the moderator. What a phenomenal job you did, my sister. Would love to hear a story of sisterhood from you. We are already beyond time, but ये रस है, राम का रस है, ये sisterhood का रस है, ये शक्ति का रस है. सुनने को बहुत मन करता है. But just very quickly, a minute to you, Sonal, and we wrap up the first of the town hall series, which we have started, like we start everything, with the sacred sound and seed of sisterhood. Over to you, Sonal.
Thank you, dear ma'am. I think we have gathered here not as an individuals, we have gathered here as a circle of Shakti, circle of, power. And that I'm feeling that powerful elevating energy amongst all of us. And I'm sure on last day, or I will not say the last day, on Shakti Bandhan Day, we'll have some different reflections. We have some empowering stories with us for this journey. So all my best wishes, and I will be there every day to listen all the stories from all the sisters. For me, sisterhood is magic. Sisterhood is my superpower. So I welcome you all open-heartedly and request you all to please, please listen to every story, every story, every dream with open hearts and all the powers to support. We are here to transform, not here to sit and talk. We are here to transform the world with our, feminine divine energy, Dr. Habeen Arora Rai. So I thank you all for your precious time and all your, powerful sharing. Thank you so much. Thank you, dear soul sister. Virtual hug to you too. To all of you, thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Thank you. And I'm so sorry if I've been too rude with time. I'm so sorry. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
The Shakti Bandhan band.
Beautifully managed.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
much. And please share the recording as well. I would like to hear which.
Yes, certainly, sisters. We will be having the recording of every episode, and then all the 25 episodes. Our Sheconomy team is here. Penal is here, who earlier moderated along with sisters the 100 Days Tour. And here we have another 7 months journey to go. Together we can do everything. We can do it all. We had all mix of emotions here, all kinds of energies. Really, our unity is the divinity. The world needs the divinity of love, connection, compassion, and power in all its beautiful and strong forms. More power to each one of you, but more power to this power of sisterhood that nourishes and nurtures and supports and strengthens us all. Till we meet next time, next Monday. If you aren't speaking, please be there.
Do we take a group peek? First group peek?
Yeah, I think I've done that already, but yeah, let's do it again. Thank you so much. I think the team has taken the pictures already.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All photos and videos will be posted on social media, so must reshare and engage there, and it will be shared on Sheconomy community as well. So feel free to create your account and list your products so every woman who are here today can check it out. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thanks a lot.
Bye.